Hey kids, let's learn animal fun facts. Humpback whale. They sing songs that travel across oceans. They use their flippers like giant wings to dance in water. Great white shark. Great whites jump out of water to catch prey. Walrus. Walruses clap with their teeth underwater. Sea snail. Cone snails shoot venom darts like tiny archers. Sea turtle. Baby turtles find the sea by following moonlight. Whale. Blue whale tongues weigh as much as an elephant. Lobster. They can live for over 50 years. Duck. Ducks can sleep with one eye open. Crab. Crabs have 10 legs. Octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts. They can change color in a blink. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead babies are called cubs. Giant squid. They can shoot ink to vanish in seconds. Horseshoe crab. They are ancient mariners' animals. Tiger. Tiger skin has stripes, not just fur. No two tigers have the same stripe pattern. Shark. Sharks existed before trees. Some sharks glow in the dark. There are over 500 species of sharks. Alligator. Their teeth keep growing back like a conveyor belt. Octopus. Can fit through coin-sized holes. Regrows lost arms like magic. Cow. Cows have best friends. They can smell things miles away. Jaguar. Jaguars have the strongest bite of all big cats. Dolphin. Dolphins give each other names. They can swim while half asleep. Orca. They are the apex predators of the ocean. Orcas can hunt sharks. Llama. Their wool is water-resistant and super warm. Lion. Lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. Frog. Frogs drink water through their skin. Polar bear. Their skin is black under clear fur. Seal. Can nap underwater without waking. Crab. They high-five with their claws when fighting. Horse. Horses can sleep standing up. Seahorse. They swim upright like tiny horses. Hippo. Hippos make their own sunblock from sweat. Whale shark. Biggest fish in the sea. Its mouth is as wide as a car.